we're gonna do some filters. So, first is mine. I'm gonna do my whole entire family. That is mine. But, Kuya Tim. Kuya Tim, look.
Hindi, pag hindi naman alam, hindi naman.
Bakit mo ikuya ka?
Kuya Kan.
What? Is that Roblox?
No,
What's that?
it's YouTube. And they're going first.
YouTube yan? Akala ko TikTok.
Okay lang yun.
Ah?
Ano naman sila?
Why did you type my name?
This is your...
Yeah. But I like John Wick. John Wick. John Wick.
Hindi nga, sabi ko.
No.
Sabi nga,
John Wick. It's like that.
marumi daw sa tatay.
W-I-C. Okay, yeah. That one. John Wick.
Next is Kuya Tim.
Lagyan mo kaya po ng tarpaulin sa ibabaw.
Papasok pa rin yun. Kasi kung saan may mag-em yung tarpaulin, nagkapan pa rin yung tubig.
This is Kuya Tim.
Who's Kuya Tim?
Look,
You spelled my name wrong. It's only one M.
oh. Okay.
Hey, don't. That's not what I'm wearing. Show this to Kuya mo.
Kinet.
No, I like John Wick. John Wick.
Spell it wrong.
Ayun mo na tayo yung nilagay ko
Oh.
Hindi sa like yun eh.
It's like that. John Wick.
Hindi lang ako. Tapos may yung isang ulit sa iyo. Ah? Isang
Okay, tubig dito.
Kasi ano eh, makakuha kong borealas distance eh.
Look, this is yours.
McDonald's. No.